Hello friends, I am Praveen. Welcome to my channel Stenographer a White Collar Job. Be ready for the dictation. 5 4 3 2 1 start. The appointment of a government servant to a permanent post may be substantive or on probation or on an officiating basis. Stop. A substantive appointment to a permanent post in public service confers normally on the servant so appointed a substantive right to the post, and he becomes entitled to hold a lien on the post. Stop. The government cannot terminate his service unless it is entitled to do so by virtue of a special term of the contract of employment by giving the requisite notice provided by the contract or by the rules governing the conditions of his service, on attainment of the age of superannuation prescribed by the rules, or on the fulfillment of the conditions for compulsory retirement, or subject to certain safeguards on the abolition of the post, or on being found guilty after proper inquiry on notice to him, of misconduct, negligence, inefficiency, or any other disqualification. Stop. An appointment to a permanent post in government service on probation means, as the of a person appointed by a private employer that the servant so appointed is taken on trial. Stop. The period of probation may in some cases be for a fixed period, for 6 months or for 1 year, or it may be expressed simply as on probation without any specification of any period. Such unemployment on probation, under the ordinary law of master and servant comes to an end during or at the end of the probation. The servant so appointed on trial is found unsuitable and his service is terminated by a notice. Stop. An appointment to officiate in a permanent post is usually made when the incumbent substantively holding that post is on leave, or when the permanent post is vacant and no substantive appointment has yet been made to that post. Stop. Such an officiating appointment comes to an end on the return of the incumbent substantively holding the post from leave in the former cases, or on a substantive appointment being made to that permanent post in the latter case, or on the service of a notice of termination as agreed upon or as may be reasonable under the ordinary law. Stop. It is therefore, quite clear that appointment to a permanent post is a government service, either or probation, or on an officiating basis, is from the very nature of such employment itself of transitory character, and in the